Ladies and gentlemen, our absolute performer, Sam Concepcion!
Binigyan si Sam Concepcion ng surprise party ng kanyang fans, the Samsters.
The microphone, of course. Thanks, guys. Hello. Nakakita ba kayo? Okay na? One thing, let's give it up for Sam Concepcion. Of course.
Andun ang lola, mom at sister ni Sam.
Okay, nakata na ba ako?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Saan? Dito? Kung mawali ka sa buhay ko, kung pag-ibig mo ay maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo?
Hindi ba tanong kayo dyan? Pero kayo ano eh.
Kung sa oras di ka makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na, may buhay ba kaya tong puso? Yan lang ang maaari nating sadyang matatanggap habang ako'y may buhay. Mahal na mahal kita. Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much, Sam.
Maraming pakulo like this game where you had to guess the lyrics of Sam's hits.
Ako'y susuko.
Oh, coaching!
Hindi matiis ng mga fans naging sing-along bigla.
Because I am going to let them hit your from above. Hit mga bakla kayo kung ingay. Ano? Sing-along? Pero alam mo yung sagot? Hindi rin, di ba?
Ayun!
Ayun.
Kahit di sigo, alam ko yun.
And that's correct. Mga 2 points for the Teen Idol.
Meron din How Well Do You Know Sam trivia game.
His version of a theme song which was included in the soundtrack of the animated film Kung Fu Panda. Go!
Kung Fu Fighting.
Yes! And that is correct. O, diba? The glow up is indeed. Who is the discoverer of Sam Concepcion?
David Cosico, I love you!
Sam's mom, Jean, graciously acknowledged that David Cosico discovered Sam when he was only 9 years
Pero
old.
ang price kamay atita. Hi. Okay.
Memoryado ba ng Samsters ang Maggi Sinigang Miso ad ni Sam?
Yes.
Parang may isang anghel sa aking lapit na naglutang sa ulap at nangingiliti kung ang alat at
And then, shot me that.
kahit ng buhay ay tulad ng hain ni inay. Suspecha ko pumundol,
Yun yun.
suspecha ko pumundol, nagiging mapayapa at masaya.
This was a double celebration. The Samsters were celebrating their 20th anniversary and Sam his 33rd birthday. Masarap ang handa ng mga Samsters and after dinner, they made Sam sing again.
Binuhay muli ang takbo at tibok ng puso sa iyong pagmamahal. Ang buhay ko'y nag-iba na puno ng saya. Sa lahat, hindi maaring iwan, wala na makakapigil kahit na bagyo man. Paano kung ikaw na mismo kusang lilisan? Paano ba? Everybody now. Kung mawalay ka sa buhay ko, kung pag-ibig mo ay maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo? Kung sa oras oras di ka makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na, may buhay pa kaya tong puso? Yan lang ang maaari nating sadyang matatanggap, habang ako'y may buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip mo. Tumakanda na tayong lahat. Nandito pa rin tayo.
The Samsters lovingly put together this video of their idol's journey through the years. From childhood to his teen years, Sam is extraordinarily multi-talented, a triple threat artist who can act, sing, and dance. Through his 20s, we saw him in the theater, in concerts, on television, and in movies. Lahat na gawa niya, always excellent. His career has had its ups and downs, and through it all, Sam has remained hardworking and humble. Para sa amin who watched him grow up in trumpets and then had a hand in his career in stages, Sam is truly a loyal, loving son.
This party possible. The Samsters Play Clan.
And as Sam enters his 30s, it is to me going to be the peak of his long, illustrious career. Sam is now ripe to be the industry's leading man.
Ready, go press! 1, 2, 1, 2, video.
Malayo pa ang mararating ni Sam, and we know that you, the Samsters, will be there every step along the way.
Hey guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for putting this together. Salamat sa inyong lahat na pumunta dito ngayon, who traveled, malayo pa ang mga pinanggalingan, yung may mga work, may mga families. Thank you guys for taking time. I can't believe that 20 years na tayo, and I honestly, 20 years ago, I never thought that really I would make it this far. And yet, here we are dahil yan sa inyong lahat. So thank you guys for your support. Thank you for always being there, supporting anything that I do. And at times when it's difficult to navigate and challenging to navigate this this industry and this work that I do, kayo lagi kayong constant. You guys are always there and very supportive. So thank you for your support, and enjoy. Eat, be merry.
So, syempre, I spilled the beans yesterday when I saw him. Did you? I said, I'll see you at your fan day. He said, fan day? What fan day? Happy birthday, Sam. I love you.
One.